Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Welcome back to another episode of Baked in My Car. Today we're on Worimi country, we're at the beach, and we're going to be making a classic, Victoria sponge cake. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. The first thing we're going to do is put 200 grams of caster sugar into a bowl. After that's done, add in 200 grams of self-raising flour. Then add in a tablespoon of baking powder. After all the dry stuff's done, add 2 tablespoons of milk into the bowl. Then crack 4 eggs into a separate bowl. After that's done, we're going to use a fork to whisk them all together. It should look something like this when it's done. Then add that to the bowl along with 200 grams of softened butter. Then mix it all together. We're using our inverter to run a cheap mixer from Kmart. When it's done, it should look something like this. Get your friend to lick the beater if you want. Next step, wash your hands to make sure they're clean. Now we're going to grease the cake tin with butter. After that, add your batter to the cake tin. After that's all done, whack it in the oven. Your oven should be preheated to 200 degrees or full temperature, and you want to check it every half hour. This is a good chance to go and explore your campsite. After a while, go and check the oven. If it looks like this, it's done. A good way to check is to put a skewer in. If the skewer comes out clean, you're all good. After that's done, put it on a rack and admire your creation while it cools. Later that evening, we went for a drive to Maitland Hospital because my friend discovered that axes are sharp. The next morning,
In an unexpected turn of events last night, we had to go to the hospital. So now we're having the cake for morning tea. She's had a lot of time to cool.
remove the cake from the tin and cut it in half. Cover one half of the cake with jam. It should look a little something like this. Now it's time to add some whipped cream. Now take the other half of the cake and make it a sandwich. After that, sprinkle some icing sugar on top. And then top it with halved strawberries. It should look something like this. Now cut the cake in slices and serve it to your friends.
And there you have it, a Victoria sponge cake, all baked in your car. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram at Baked in My Car.
Oh no!